I hope everybody woke up blessed and highly favored. All my kings, queens, gods, goddesses. You hear me? I wake up every day blessed and highly favored. I wake up every day in good spirit. You hear me? It's not me. It's not me. There's always something outside of me that affects my energy. You hear me? I'm gonna stop allowing it. Like, really though, even when it comes to the people that's close to me, very close to me, I'm not allowing nobody to, fuck up my good energy anymore. I can't do it. I won't. That's why I came out here and I did this. I wouldn't even plan on coming out here and doing my nature talk today. But the fact that I had to wake up. No, listen. Before I woke up, I went to sleep to some fucked up shit, hoping I can wake up and not have to feel that same feeling. You know what I'm saying? So I went to sleep to a fucked up situation, then wake up to more fucked up situations. That's not good. That's not good. Like, when are we going to learn? When are we going to really get it? Like, when are we going to stop talking about it and start moving on it? When are we going to start applying the shit that we say to our life? Like, don't talk to me about what you don't want to do and what you not entertaining no more, or what's this or what's that, and we ain't, and then still turn around and do the shit again. Like, I'm not with this shit, bro. I'm not. This is Nature Talk with Jesus Starflower, man. I come out here and I give y'all my heart. That's what I do. I'm not these fake phony ass niggas out here, man. Y'all gonna get it how it is with me. However I'm feeling, that's what I'm gonna give y'all, man. Straight up. I ain't feeling this shit. I ain't feeling this shit. And I'm not being on the internet today. So whatever motherfuckers had going on top of the day, peace and blessings, King. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? I'm not entertaining nothing today, bro. I'm not. I'm not even fucking with the internet today. After I do this fucking video, I'm chilling, my nigga. I'm chilling, because I already see how this day is going to go. It's already started on all fucked up. Nigga, I went to sleep to fucked up shit. So I wasn't planning on waking up to some shit, too. You feel me? So that alone lets me know, yeah, this is going to be my day to not be on the fucking internet. And it's fucked up, because we got the show and everything today. You feel me? I didn't do it. But I'm not going to allow my energy to continue to be fucked up because of shit that doesn't have anything to do with me. We are grown. We are grown, brother. We are grown. We talk so much shit about this generation and these kids, but yet we fall victim to a lot of this shit that they doing too. So we gotta take blame for some of the shit that we do as well. The fuck, as grown people, we have to take blame for some of the shit that we do as well. I do it all the time. How many times have I came on this motherfucker and apologized for shit and things like that? Why? Because I'm a fucking man. Because I'm a fucking man. I don't play no fucking games. I'm not no fucking kid. I know how to right my wrongs. If you wrong, right them. Simple. We fucking grown. Shit ridiculous, man. Shit is ridiculous. Like I said, this anger don't just come from, you feel me, what I woke up to. It come from what I went to sleep to. And then had to wake up to more. That's what it come from. It doesn't come from everything that happened since I woke up. It comes from the shit that happens when I went the fuck to sleep. I went to sleep with a mini attitude about some shit, personal life shit. Then I gotta wake up to other shit. Come on now. Come on now. I give y'all too much, man. Come on, man. It make me start to feel like motherfuckers saying fuck me. I be starting to feel like niggas saying fuck me by ignoring everything that I say to everybody on a day-to-day basis about how we should carry ourselves as people, protecting our energy and everything of that sort. So for motherfuckers to go against that and still entertain fuck shit, that seems like motherfuckers saying fuck Jeezy. Fuck anything I ever said to y'all. Why am I even talking to y'all? Do y'all know I don't talk to the people I've known all my life because they don't listen? And it ain't even the fact that they don't listen. Like I'm not your father, I'm not your mama, I'm not none of the above. You feel me? But certain shit that I say out my mouth, I expect everybody to apply that shit to their life, because it's life words. It's life words. This shit is to protect us all, not just me. Come on, man. What's wrong with y'all? Love is love. It always will be. I don't even know, Fly. Listen, bro, it's so deep that I didn't even allow myself, Fly, to get that deep into it to actually find out what's what. Once I seen that it was some bullshit, like just basically some bullshit going on, I didn't want to entertain it. I didn't even stay in there long enough to even figure out what actually happened, bro. All I know is Stoney was involved once again. The what's that light-skinned chick that do music was involved once again, and Drain once again. The same three people though. You feel me? And we just got that situation taken care of, and then y'all allowed the same person outside of the circle to come back in the circle and break the circle up again. What's wrong with y'all? What's wrong with y'all? Hey brother, how many times have you heard me say, if you allow something once, okay, you got that. It happens. I'll never make this mistake again. If you allow that same fucking mistake to happen twice, that makes you the fucking fool. That makes you the dummy. If you allow a certain situation to happen to you more than once, that makes you the fucking stupid ass motherfucker. You entertain this shit. Love is love. So y'all better take this shit as tough love and don't take it no other way. Because that's literally what the fuck it is. I'm out here early in the morning, nigga. This my peace of mind. But guess what? Guess what? Just let y'all know I'm giving y'all my full heart. You feel me? This is my peace of mind right here. This is my peace of mind right here. You hear me? I come out here for peace. But I also give y'all those meaningful words too. So, don't nobody take it the opposite way. Alright? Don't nobody take it the opposite way. Don't nobody take this as me coming at nobody. This is tough love. This is tough love. The birds just said something to me. I don't know what they said, but I might be being too loud out here, man. I think they telling me to calm down. I think he said calm down, Jeezy. Peace and blessings, Queen. Yeah, like, you know, I'm like Dr. Doolittle too. You feel me? I become one with nature, nigga. I speak to the animals and they speak back. I can't tell you exactly what they said, but we had a conversation. Love is love, man. Love those who love you. Respect all. Accept the love that it's given. Before there's no love at all. If y'all really understood and had a clear understanding of what the fuck is going on in this world, y'all wouldn't even have time to have an argument with a motherfucker. Y'all wouldn't have time to entertain none of this bullshit. You wouldn't. You wouldn't have time to entertain none of this shit if you motherfuckers knew what the fuck was really going on out this bitch. I know. That's why I don't entertain fuck niggas and bum bitches. Shit come my way, I'm knocking your fucking head off. Point blank, period. That's how Jeezy moving. I'm not playing, I'm not talking. A motherfucker play with me, I'm knocking your head off. I am a god, I am a king, and I don't fuck with devils. You hear me? I don't fuck with devils. So any of that evilness that come around me, I'ma take care of it. I promise you I am. Love is love. If you don't believe nothing else that came out my mouth, believe that shit. Love is love. Rather tough love, genuine love, love is love. We can't keep allowing people to fuck up our positive energy. My brothers, my sisters, my kings, my queens, my gods, my goddesses. We cannot keep allowing these devilish motherfuckers to fuck up our positive energy. Learn to protect your energy. Stay the fuck in the house if you don't know no other way to do it. If you can't figure it out, stay your ass in the house. Lock your ass in a bathroom or something for a couple of hours. Protect your fucking energy. Because you're going to need it. How about that part? How about that part? Because you're going to need it. To you women, man. Man, please, man. Find yourself like for real, though. You feel me? Stop waking up this bullshit. Stop thinking that running up to the clubs every weekend is the best thing to do for you. Because it's not. Stop labeling yourself as grown women and y'all doing little girl ass shit. It's not. Yeah, y'all getting that tough love right now. Fuck is you talking about, man? I ain't wake up like this. I ain't wake up like this. Stop what y'all doing, man. Stop what y'all doing, man. Please stop what the fuck y'all doing, man. Don't have no conversations with me and speaking about some positive shit out this bitch and then turn around and start doing negative shit. Don't do it. I swear to God, I'm going to start cutting motherfuckers off. Y'all would say, so what, right? Yeah, I feel the same way, right? But a motherfucker going to feel that shit when Jeezy not around no more. I promise you, a motherfucker going to feel that shit when I'm not in y'all presence no more. I promise you that. A motherfucker can say they don't give a fuck right now. Oh yeah, fuck, I don't care. I don't fuck with Jeezy. Jeezy don't fuck with me. Cool. I promise you, you're gonna feel that shit. You're gonna feel that shit. My presence is different. Everything that I bring to the circle is different. My energy different. And I'm tired of wasting my fucking breath. I'm tired of having conversations with grown-ass people. And they keep turning around and doing kid shit. Fuck out of here, man. Love is love, so you're going to get the tough love and the genuine love. Whoever. And I'm loud as shit out this bitch. 10-something, 11 o'clock in the morning. I wish a motherfucker would. And I wish a motherfucker would. I'm dangerous by myself. I don't roll with a bunch of niggas. I don't need no guns either. I'm like that for real. Love is love. Understand that part, though. Keep telling y'all, stop letting this negative energy fuck up y'all positive energy, but yet y'all continue to do it. Y'all continue to do the shit. Like what Jesus say don't mean nothing. My words don't mean shit to nobody, huh? That's what y'all telling me? That's what y'all telling me? Just say it. I'd rather y'all say, Jesus, shut the fuck up. What you saying don't make sense. We don't want to hear it. I'd rather y'all say that than to listen to me, then go against it. I'd rather you be a man, be a woman, and say that. Jesus, stop talking. We not listening to you. Say that. Say that. Instead of acting like everything that I'm saying makes sense and then go all the way against the shit. What's wrong with y'all, man? I'm too grown for this shit. I'm too grown for this shit, man. I don't allow it. I don't see why y'all allow it. I don't allow nobody to fuck up my energy. Why the fuck y'all think y'all always see me in the house? Guess what? If it's negative energy in your home, lock yourself in the fucking bathroom for a couple of hours. Take your ass in the basement. Lock the fucking door for a couple of hours. Protect your fucking energy. You gonna need it. Boy, y'all better understand that this ain't just me talking here, man. These are the words of a God. That's what y'all not getting. Y'all just think this, oh, Jesus, just on the internet talking crazy. No. These words come from a different place. These are the words of a God. Huh? Fuck is wrong with y'all? Y'all better start listening. I only gotta tell my kids once. Stop. They stop. Stop. They stop. Why I gotta say it more than once to grown people? But y'all smarter than the kids? Y'all think so? Do you? Men, start being men again. Men, start being men again. Stop feeding to this little boy shit. Ladies, start being women again. Stop feeding into this little girl shit. It's cool to go out and mango and party here and there, man, when you got a lot of stressful things going on within your life through the week, and you might want to go out on a Friday or a Saturday, have a drink or two, listen to some good music, take your ass back home and get finished protecting your energy. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. There's something all the way wrong with the extra shit that can come behind that, though. You know why? Because y'all choose to entertain the extra shit. Instead of being grown, you right? The grown person that you are, anybody that's over the age of 25 years old should not be out here doing any type of fuck nigga or fuck bitch shit. Listen to that. Anybody with kids should not be out here entertaining kids. Y'all know what hurts me the most? That is always the people that I love. It's always the ones that I love. It's never the dickheads, they was cool, but fuck them. It's never them. Never them. Always the people I love. Always. Always. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I went to sleep to personal bullshit. You feel me? I tell y'all all the time, it can be personal shit going on within your personal life that can cause you to act out on other shit that has nothing to do with it, right? I wake up every day blessed, highly favored, good energy. So yeah, my personal situations from last night, then me waking up to shit this morning, caused this. Y'all better get a better understanding of me. Y'all better get a better understanding of who the fuck I am. Stop taking everything for a joke or a game, because I'm not. I'm not no type of PlayStation or Xbox 360. Ain't no joysticks hooked up to me, meaning I am not controlled. I am the controller. Fuck is y'all talking about? Ain't no controlling me. I'm a man for real. I stand on my own too, and I don't give a fuck about nothing outside of that. Why y'all think I say love is love? That shit ain't no fucking joke. Ladies, if y'all didn't know what a man consists of before this, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Right here. Fuck you talking about. All three of my sons in there right now. Fuck is y'all talking about? The only 3 kids I have in this world is in there right now. You hear me? Those who know me know me. You feel me? I talk to my kids the way I talk to everybody else. Because guess what? They're going to have that real shit stored up here. They are not going to have that goofy shit stored up here. No. And yes, they still kids. They still got a life to live and all that. But guess what? They're going to have a better understanding of things. What? Love those who love you, man. Respect all. Accept the love that is given. I love everybody.